Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Masterclass subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've compiled a list of all different ways to cancel your Masterclass subscription. So if you've got an Android, iOS or on a laptop, this guide will work for all three. So I'll go through the first one, so via a website. So go to the Masterclass website and log into your account. And then from there, click on your profile icon or your initials in the top right hand corner, and then select account settings from the drop down menu. And then in the account settings, look for a section related to your subscription or billing, and then find the option to cancel your subscription and follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. All right, via the mobile app. So open up the Masterclass app on your device, log in if necessary, then tap on your profile icon. Go to account settings or subscriptions, and then follow the prompts to cancel your subscriptions. All right, now I'm going to run through via the App Store or Google Play. So for iOS users, open up settings in the App Store, and then tap on your Apple ID at the top, select subscriptions, and then find and select the Masterclass subscription. Tap cancel subscription and confirm. And for Android device users, I'll show you that because I've got an Android device. Go to your Play Store, and then you want to click on your profile icon, top right hand corner. And then you want to click on to where it says payments and subscriptions. Click on subscriptions. And now I don't have any current subscriptions, but your subscription will be here. Just click on it and then click cancel. And if you've still got issues cancelling your subscription Masterclass, you can always reach out to the Masterclass customer support for assistance via their help center at support.masterclass.com. And a side note here, be sure to cancel before the next billing cycle to avoid being charged for the next period.